Alright, welcome back to Kickflip 47. Rolling around here with a 3-day-old rolled ankle. It's about to, I don't know, get wet around here. I don't know, hopefully I can land this kickflip. Like second, third try. Let's see.
Come on. Oh, come on.
That's it, baby. That's it, baby. Kickflip in the rain, baby. Got it. Live and direct. Just finished doing 2 hours, possibly 3 hours of English homework, typing it up. Came out here, got the kickflip live and direct.
Better do a kickflip, don't be sitting on dirty booty cheeks. What is that?